I'm going to show you something quick today. These are leaking. I actually have no idea if it's this one or this one or that one or that one because I forgot which one was leaking at the time. It's an older tank. So what I did is I just put some masking tape, packaging tape. Put one piece over it, one around it just to seal it. I got this hooked up to a vacuum. You can use a little hand one and stuff. Harbor Freight has them for a couple bucks. What we're going to be doing is mixing the gas tank JB Weld, and I'll get back to you in 1 second. Alright, so I got that mixed. Got a vacuum going now on this. And what we're going to do is take some of this and put it around the base of each one of these. I believe it's already, that was the side. Okay. Oh yeah, it's drawing a nice vacuum. Alright. So, right now, I got a vacuum drawing on this. And what it's going to do is any places where it was got fine cracks, it's going to actually suck that JB Weld now right into the crack all the way inside the tank. And then what will happen is we let it harden, and this will be good for quite a long time. But this will actually draw the JB Weld inside the crack and seal it. So that's how you can repair a tank super easy. It's actually starting to fold the tank. That's funny. But anyways, I just figured I'd share that. Now that we got a vacuum, I'm gonna just close that valve and let it sit till it dries. I've had this now for 15 minutes. Let's see if it's still holding a vacuum. Nice. Alright, so that's it. This tank is sealed. We'll let it dry now, unpressurized, well, vacuumed, and then we'll go from there. So that should be a good fix. We'll spray it black, put it on, use it again. Alright.